Oh my gosh. Well, today we're not going velociraptor hunting, but we are going to hit the woods and see if we can arrow a few pigs. These pigs have been rooting up the food plots, eating the bait, showing up at all times of the day and night, running deer off. So I'm going to try to ease my way through the woods and we'll see what happens. Oh my gosh. Alright, I'm gonna go up here and see if I can get him alright. Alright, so what happened was I was deer hunting on the other side of the creek, and I crossed the creek and I was coming up to see how my mom and dad are doing, have some coffee. About 10 o'clock, hear something, catch a glimpse of a big hog 50 yards from me, just a little out of a bow range. And so I decided to sneak up on it. And it's pacing around up here. Saw one spot where the boar laid down in the mud. And then he went up the hill and I heard just a god-awful squealing. They must have been fighting. And then the other boar came, for some reason, right towards me, about 15 yards. So I popped him, I think, in the shoulder. That was wild. I was shaking. Oh my gosh, that was awesome. No wonder why Dad's feeder's been knocked over. Trying to see if I can arrow another one. The other boar was limping away. All right, so this crazy hog, shot him over here. He went around the food plot and came back across the fence. It's a clear cut. It was cut a few years ago, so he's probably almost on the too big to keep side, so he's gonna lay to rest in there. I'm not gonna try to track through there. I think it's a good kill shot. It's a little forward for sure, but yeah, funny little story is that there was a big cobweb right on my line of sight on my bow. I guess it got caught on there, and so that was kind of distracting. We'll get back at it. We got plenty more hogs to kill. All right, these pigs were right in here. Here's the arrow. standing right over there. I had to come in the back way. I just shot right over them. That first shot. Here's the arrow. After reviewing the footage of that first shot, that pig backs up and ducks a lot. I think I hear it going. I think I hear it going down. Cut that thing right now. Well, this is crazy. So I was tracking the hogs on the other side of the creek, and it looked like they came right here, so I decided to jump across. And I kind of kept going. I found some more blood, and I ended up getting distracted, and I saw the pigs farther down, and there was only 3 of them. I was like, okay, man, I got it. I watch. Right here, and this pig is right here. I had to kind of shoot over that log, so I couldn't get it too low. So, but I mean, he didn't really. Oh shoot, he didn't go 40 yards probably. So, all right. One down, at least 3 to go.